Welcome to the timeless fable of the Tortoise and the Hare, a story about teamwork and unexpected lessons. Once upon a time, a tortoise and a hare had a disagreement about who was the fastest. To settle their argument, they decided to race along a chosen path. The hare dashed ahead, confident in his speed, and decided to take a break under a tree. Relaxing under the tree, the hare soon fell asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving and eventually won the race. The hare woke up, realizing he had lost the race. The moral of the story is that slow and steady wins the race, a lesson we've all learned. But this isn't the end of the story. Reflecting on his loss, the hare realized his overconfidence led to his defeat. Determined to prove himself, the hare challenged the tortoise to another race. This time, the hare ran without stopping and won by a large margin. The new moral? Fast and consistent beats slow and steady. But the story doesn't end here. The tortoise realized he needed a new strategy to win against the hare. He proposed another race, this time on a different route, and the hare agreed. The hare raced ahead but was stopped by a river, while the tortoise swam across and finished the race. The moral? Identify your strengths and change the game to suit them. And yet, the story still hasn't ended. The hare and the tortoise, now friends, reflected on their last race and realized it could have been better. They decided to race again, but this time as a team, realizing they could achieve more together. They started the race, with the hare carrying the tortoise to the riverbank, showcasing teamwork. At the riverbank, the tortoise took over, swimming across with the hare on his back. On the opposite bank, the hare carried the tortoise again, and they crossed the finish line together, feeling satisfied. The moral of the story emphasizes the importance of teamwork and situational leadership, highlighting how combining strengths leads to success. The story teaches us to adapt and learn from failures, and to compete against situations rather than rivals. Roberto Goizueta, as CEO of Coca-Cola, shifted focus from competing with Pepsi to addressing the broader market challenge. By understanding the broader market, Coca-Cola increased its presence, leading to significant growth and outpacing Pepsi. The story of the hare and tortoise teaches us resilience, leveraging strengths, and the power of teamwork. Let's take these lessons and build stronger, more effective teams together.